What's up, guys and gals? This is Roy from Roy's Customs, and today I spent a little bit of time working on the ZX2 front bumper. I think it turned out really well, and I'm going to let y'all check that out. So now that I've got this ready to cut out, I'll still have to take this piece, tape it over here, and finish drawing this out. But it shouldn't be a big deal. Anyways, we're ready to cut this out. I'm just going to take just a cheapy little knife here and cut this out. Okay, now that that part's cut out, I need to okay, let's just hope that looks decent whenever it's all said and done. Okay, so anyways, I got these two pieces cut out. Well, I got these two pieces, and they will come together and make one piece. What I will have to do is I will have to cut some 1/8 inch, and I will make like a skeleton all the way around the outer edge. This is going to do two things. One, it's going to actually strengthen it so that I can stretch the fleece, and it's also going to be, I'm going to shape the edge of it, round it off a little bit. So anyways, that's what I'll have to do next. So I did get the center cut out. I did get the side brackets, well, the inside brackets to make the inner portion for the grill. And then of course there's the lower bar for not only a support but also for the mold, the way I want it shaped in there. So as far as this side goes, just a quick little thing here, and what I'll have to do is I will have to mark this and then cut it at an angle here so it matches up to this. I got the one side stretched. Now there will be cleanup, smoothing, and up there where that wood is still showing, I'll use fiberglass cloth and finish shaping that in. And then of course around the other side I'll use fiberglass cloth and finish shaping that in as well. This is just to get me the main shape and design that I'm wanting. Okay, I got the other side pretty much stretched. Honestly, it looks about the same on both sides. It's really close. The thing is I can clean stuff up. There's a big difference between doing a lip kit and a speaker box. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this off right here. I'll tuck it under and I'll do some stapling underneath with that. But for now, we'll just let it ride like that for a minute. There will be a little bit more pulling, stretching, and of course you see here how it ridged up on me, but it's okay because a little bit of fiberglass matting or some, well, I'll probably use fiberglass matting to fill that in a little better, but anyways, I might use just some fiberglass cloth to do that with whenever it comes time for finishing. So anyways, being this is my first one ever, I don't think it's too bad, and I think whenever I put my bodywork skills to it, I'll be able to actually finish it out pretty nicely. So we'll just see what it looks like whenever it's done. Like I said, there's going to be lots of cleanup and stuff that needs done. And I'm going to have to go through and I'm going to have to tuck all them pieces that are dangling. But other than that, so far so good. Less than a quart. I still got some left. It's mixed up so it will harden. So basically I've wasted it, but at least I do know what it takes for that. I'm still going to go ahead and get a gallon as soon as I can. This was just all I could actually muster up this week. So at least I got this part done. The main part of it is finished, and it will dry, and whenever it gets dry, then at least, you know, if it does get wet or something, because it is raining, if it's outside and gets wet all week, and maybe I can get it, you know, dried out or something or whatever. If it does get wet, it won't be too bad. I'll be able to actually work with it because it will be hardened. That is an awful lot to lose. So anyways, I did go over it, and then I mixed up the other half of it, and I went ahead and decided to do another coat over it. Of course, like I say, there's going to be some stuff that needs to be cleaned up and cut off, and some other stuff done, but so far front bumper is coming along very nicely. Almost have it done. So anyways, I know this has been a long drawn out video, but I appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notifications, smash the like button if you'd like to, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out. I'm gonna clean up.